Okay, class, take a seat. I just graded your test, so I'm gonna give them back now. Yo, how do you think you did?
You know, pretty good. I actually feel like I knew everything for once.
Greg, here's your test.
Let's go, 100!
Simon, here's your test. Let's go. Get over here now. Oh, hey Simon, what's up? What is this? It's your test. Are you blind?
Don't play with me like that! Why does it look like this?
Like a test? What are you talking about?
You know what I'm talking about! Why is my test folded?
Oh, you know, for, privacy?
That's a lie. Simon, I don't know why this is such a big deal. Admit it! You only folded the test because I failed, didn't I?
Simon, I'm not gonna listen to these not false allegations. Go to the principal right now.
I'm not going to the principal until you get—
How we haven't expelled you yet is beyond me. What did you do this time? The teacher folded my test, so I probably failed. Look.
Oh, relax. I'm sure it doesn't mean—
Oh. What? Oh, it's nothing. It's nothing. Let me see that.
Yeah, I don't think you should— I got a -8!